Hey, welcome to Monday Creations. Today we're working on IAnony's 370Z. We're going to do a transmission flush.
The question is, how do you avoid getting spilled on?
Oh, you're going to get spilled on.
Aren't you going to get hella beacon severely burnt?
Do you want to go out there and grab me black gloves out of the top drawer?
Yeah.
For you and me?
Yeah, like that's going to help.
No, that does. It's something. Yeah. Yeah. Yeah, sure. Hey guys. How's it going? It's day 392 underneath this car. I don't have much time left. The light's going out. Alright, what am I on? Am I on tight or loosen? Tight. Loosen. What'd you just do? Alright, here we go. Ready?
You're not going to get hurt, dude. That worries me. Oh! Beep. Can I, like, record this?
Yeah, if you want to.
I just want to, Ooh, it's hot.
Ready?
Yep. I'm just recording.
Ooh, that's disgustingly brown.
It's supposed to be pink.
It's supposed to be red. Nissan OEM says you never have to change this.
Are you sure about that?
That's bad.
What's that old meme? It's just me sitting in my garage. You wanna know how I got here? I read books.
Knowledge.
Yeah, that's what it was.
My
Knowledge.
Lamborghini.
Sitting in here with my Lamborghini and
Oh,
knowledge.
God.
Yeah, pop that bitch to me. Yeah, baby. Hey guys, there's a 10? Way the fuck up in there. Give me a sec, I'll get you there.
Okay. Sounds like progress.
The joke hurt. I can't. My arm's toast.
Just tell me what I gotta do.
It's on there. You just gotta keep loosening.
Okay.
It should be correctly orientated too.
Sounds like easy work.
I just want to quote that. It said, sounds like easy peasy work. Start a counter. I want to see a timer. Oh, I'm gonna timer that right there. That comment. Oh, it's so bright. See it up there?
Yes.
Deep.
I reached my hand up through that area. Keep scooting, boy. Yep, keep scooting. Boot scooting, booty.
Scooting booty. Scoot. Am I gonna get burnt here?
I'd probably long sleeve it just to be safe. The trans pan is hotter than the exhaust. Exhaust ain't too warm right now.
Oh, I see.
Yep, it's a ratchet. Yeah, I've gone through all the hard work. I sprayed lube on it, and I broke the bolt.
I'm just kidding.
Oh, I still want to time it before your arm gets tired.
Am I laying differently than you were? Were you using your left hand?
Yes.
Oh, God.
Deep.
Damn.
Was it already tired?
Shut
What's the time?
It's my left hand, dude.
What?
Don't use my left hand.
What's the time?
Is that you?
Yeah, you can. Put your finger on top.
I really can't. I'm trying.
I don't think you'll be able to get your other hand in there.
I feel like I could.
All right, try.
Move your flashlight.
Already tired?
No. Just thinking.
Just thinking about how tired you are?
Okay, I need light now. Those are nice parts, though, huh?
A lot of rust.
Yeah.
All the world to see. Maybe that'll be the comments. Boy, why your undercarriage look like booty juice? Why it look like
Deep.
There we go. I just gotta try harder. I really want my other hand up there. It bothers me that I can't do that. So,
Hey, how's it going?
I want to use this arm. I bet I could. Yeah.
Go for it, fam.
Where is it? Is it?
Feel around. Can you feel the plate? Can you move the plate out?
The plate?
There's a plate
There's a plate.
that the bolt is
the
holding
plate.
down.
Oh wait, here. Bolt's out.
Oh shit,
Deep.
that bolt.
We don't need it.
Your car will be chilling here for...
Oh, hot bolt. Oh, jeez. Oh.
With the plate?
No. Plate. I can see it though. The plate's kind of on there. I'm not sure. Is it supposed to be kind of stuck?
I mean, you might need to
Like a,
coerce it.
Yeah, I think I need some kind of flathead or something. Oh, there it goes. Right. Let me try to focus with my nose here. There you go, right there where that missing bolt is. That's where it was.
We'll see if stuff starts leaking out. We'll know.
Yeah, I'm sure it's fine.
Alright, you ready?
Yeah.
My autofocus is off.
Deep.
I got something. Oh, jeez, what I'm doing with him. That's good enough for me. There you go.
That's going to do it for today's creation. If you enjoyed, please leave a like below. If there's a project you want to see us do, drop it in the comments below as well. Remember to subscribe to keep updated on all of our creations. And as always, thank you for spending some time with us, and I look forward to creating with you next time.